One of the biggest questions I'm getting right now is, should I still be buying a home today? Here's what I can tell you. While the headlines are focused on the market cooling in recent months, they don't paint the full picture of why homeownership is worth it. While these short-term changes matter, homeowners win in the long run, and I can prove it. We know that home values typically rise with time, and we've certainly seen that over the past few years. But here's what I want you to really focus on. On average, home prices have risen by 290% over the past 30 years in this country. That's almost 300% growth. Now, why does this matter if you're thinking about buying a home? It goes to show that homeownership wins over time. As home values grow and as you pay down your mortgage, you build equity, and that gives your net worth a big boost. With time, you could be sitting on significant amount of home equity. Home ownership is a play that wins in the long run. And if you're ready to invest in your future, hit me up.